The team. This is Olivier. He is a researcher for the project of creating Joe, our robot. This is Andre. He is another one of our researchers for this project. This is Maxime. He was the main person that did all the construction while building Joe. Here we have Tyler, who does the construction and some of the programming on our NTX Mindstorm Joe. We have Marie, who did some construction but mostly programming while creating Joe. But certainly not least, the most important member of our team, Joe the robot, which we've been working on for the past 6 weeks to complete the Oxford Invitational Robotics Challenge. The design process. ESMB1 had many brainstorming sessions to try and accommodate all the objectives of the Oxford Invitational Youth Robotic Challenge. We then decided to break off into different groups to see how well the different ideas fared out to accommodate all the objectives. We came up with different designs to try and drop the block. Some thought of a claw-like hand, others thought of dropping it as a bucket, others even had trapdoors in which the block fell through. In the end, we used a combination of all three ideas presented by the different robots in our final product. Programming. Testing challenges was adapting to the EV3 programming. Normally we would only program with EV2 LEGO Mindstorms, so we had to adapt and change sort of what we've known of the program to see what it has now to offer. A snippet of our line follow algorithm that we have in our program so that we can have the smoothest possible robot following the line experience. Robot operations. This is to simulate a factory floor robot. We decided to add some visual cues from the display so that we can understand what our robot was doing. So here we can see it asking us to press the touch button to begin. And then after that it shows us via a numeric value the color of which the block is, so that we can see if it's seen the right color. The robot drops the color sensor to the floor in order for it to follow the line. After which point the robot follows the line in order to try and find the corresponding color to drop the block. At which point the arm drops the block from the robot into the square. Hurdles. One of the biggest problems that ESMB1 had to face was to get the line follow program to see the line all the way through even during a curve. The challenge was to get the block to drop consistently every time we had the arm hit the basket. And those hurdles ESMB1 and Joe will overcome. Thank you for watching.